In this video, we are going to determine the equation of the quadratic function based off of the graph that has been given. We are told here that the vertex of this graph is exactly 1, 4, and that the y-intercept of this graph is exactly 0, 3. So we have 1, 4 for the vertex and 0, 3 for the y-intercept. We could be given any point. We don't have to be given the y-intercept, though the y-intercept is one of the easiest points for us. So we have y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Y equals a times x minus 1 squared plus 4. And we're going to need to use the x-y ordered pair for the y-intercept, or the other point that they give us, to solve for a. So 3 is equal to a times 0 minus 1 squared plus 4. Let me subtract 4 from both sides. Negative 1 is equal to negative 1 squared times a. Negative 1 is equal to 1a. A is equal to negative 1. So that means that my equation can be written as y equals negative x minus 1 squared plus 4. If I'd like, I can expand that to get it in standard form from general form. So y is going to be negative x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 4. Y equals a negative x squared plus 2x minus 1 plus 4. Y equals a negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Either of these answers here or here will usually be acceptable. So go ahead and let me just see how the instructor answered this. Yes, they wrote it in standard form. Excellent. So one more problem here. That is that we have a graph here whose vertex is at 1, negative 1, and whose y-intercept is given on the graph as 0, 1. So y equals a times x minus h plus k. Y equals, that's squared. Y equals a times x minus 1 squared minus 1. Our y-intercept is at 0, 1. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So a is 2. A is 2. And y equals 2 times x minus 1 squared minus 1. Y equals 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 1. Y equals 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 minus 1. Y is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. That's it for this video. Again, you could use other points other than the y-intercept. It's just fairly easy to stick in x equal to 0. and to confirm that the constant when you have your expanded form here is the y-intercept. So there we go. See you for our next video.